Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing BTS merch box number 7. This is the one with the clear bag. So this is the packaging. It's quite big for my table, but we'll try to manage. So this is the size. These are the spine. So just a clear purple color. And this is the back. So it indicates their merch box number 7. Okay. So we'll try to open it now. So there's a number 7 at the top of the box. Okay. For this merchandise, it comes with a clear bag, an inner pouch, a photo card set, as well as a waste basket case. Okay. Here we go. So this is the clear bag. Try to open it up. So by the way, if you're gonna ask if how to avail of this particular item, actually you need to be a membership or an army membership holder, as well as availing of the merch pack when you sign up for the membership. Okay, so let's remove all the inclusion from the inside. There's a big bubble wrap. Okay. And then here, so these are some straps, and then the photo card set. We'll look into the photo card set later. So basically this is a clear bag. It's really nice to have if you're going to a BTS concert, so that everything typical in a concert, you are required to present all, or at least show all the items that are in your bag. So a clear bag would be a perfect companion for concerts. Okay, there you go. You can put it here. There you go. There's the strap. You could adjust it. The strap also have the BTS and ARMY logo. So this is how it looked like close up. There you go. So nothing too special in terms of the design. There's another strap here. Okay, we're not gonna dwell on that. Let's look into the inner pouch. Okay, so this is how the inner pouch look like. So it's adjustable. Just a plain purple color with the BTS logo. And then for the waist bag case, I think it already have a waist bag inside. Wow, so this is the waist bag with the BTS logo as well. And then this is how it looks like. You could shop it in the bag, and it also have the BTS logo outside. Okay, there you go. So now let's look into the photo card set. Okay, for the photo card set, we have here RM. There you go. We have Jin. We have Suga. J-Hope, Jimin, V, and last, Jungkook. There you go. So that's a quick unboxing of the BTS merch box number 7, the clear bag. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you have any question. Thank you for watching. Bye!